Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello. All signs. Okay, so mensahe, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, anong kailangan mong malaman. Okay? So, yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga nangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, don't forget na mag-follow rin sa atin pong second channel na Love Letter. Opo, no? So, pwede kayo dong makarinig ng mga love letter, love messages na pinapadala rin ng ibang taong naka-follow, no? Pwede kayo magdala, mag-send ng inyong mga mensahe sa atin pong FB page ng Love Letter. Okay? So, kung hindi alam, mag-message lang po para ibibigay namin sa inyo. Nabubulol ako. Ibibigay namin sa inyo yung link ng aming FB page. Okay? And yeah, don't forget na mag-follow and subscribe sa ating YT. Okay. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay? And syempre, yeah, pagdating sa ating mga items. So, meron tayong Evil Eye Protection, ring, may dalawa tayong sample, ng ating bracelet. So, isang adjustable, available in red strings. Meron po itong initial ng magmamayari. Nilalagyan po ng initial kung ito ang pipiliin, adjustable. And ito naman po yung garterize. So, ganito yung kanyang pendant. Okay. Yan, ganyan siya. Okay, this is unisex. Pareho po, no? And yung ating Evil Eye necklace. This is protection po, mula sa mga evil eye na ibinabato sa atin. This is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and yeah, unisex. Okay, kasi minimalist, yung ating pendant. Small lang siya, kaya hindi naman, Okay, so, ating love bracelet, para sa love lang, okay? Anything about love, siya yung mag-fix. Okay? So, si ating granter necklace, taga-grant ng minamanifest. Okay? And, nagbibigay rin ng surprises. Yes, oo. So, natabunan na kasi hindi kami nakakapag-update, about sa mga feedback ni granter. Hindi tuloy kami nakakapag-post, no? Pero may mga nagsesend Hindi namin na ipopost, sobrang busy. I'm so sorry. And, syempre, yung ating cord cut. Sa mga alam na yung cord cut, yes, available siya kay Fias Tarot. And sa mga hindi alam ang cord cutting, pagtatanggal, pagkakat ng mga energies, sa inyong mga energy na hindi na kailangan. Okay? Yung mga energy na hindi na kailangan, ikakat na. Okay. So, let's start the reading. All signs. Unahin si air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And mag-follow doon sa isa po nating YouTube channel na Love Letter. Okay, so yeah, air signs. Four of Wands in reversed. The Five of Wands in reversed. I'm hearing vacation leave for some of you. Okay? I don't know. Meron dito akong nakikitang aalis sa bahay. May aalis. Some of you may mga babaguhin sa bahay. Ipagagawa, I think. Mayroon ako naririnig renovation. That's nice, no? Okay? That's specific. Some of you, there's this offer na pwedeng parating and patungkol sa stability mo. Okay? Patungkol sa parang leveling up about, pwedeng sa workplace nga, no? Workplace or somewhere na pwedeng sabihin natin kumikita ka. Okay? So, what else? Pero nandun yung pagod eh. Yeah, nandun yung pagod. Nine of Cups. Wish fulfillment. For some of you. Your wish fulfillment is coming. Ano yun? Ooh! A love offer. Some of you, kung sino yung interest mo, love interest mo, may chance na humakbang papalapit sa'yo. Okay, the Ace of Wands. Oh. Pwedeng water sign, someone younger. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, there's somebody who is interested pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Meron silang dala-dalang offer, pero hindi sila gumagawa pa sa ngayon. May crush sa'yo tong taong to, gusto ka. Some of them, sabihin nating na-intimidate or nahihiya lang. Sino itong Page of Cups na ito? Oo. Aside sa pwedeng gusto mo rin siya. Yes. Okay. Uy! The Wheel of Fortune. Ay, tumatiming siya. Tumatiming ito. And I'm seeing this person na sabihin nating iba sa kanila is fortunate. Somebody na pwedeng sabihin nating fortunate. Okay, in general. Pwedeng may ganito. Galing sa mayamang angkan. Ganun. Or sabihin natin kapag nakita mo yung taong alam mo na sabihin natin kapag lumapit ito, napakaganda na sa pakaramdam. Sabihin natin ganun. Okay? In general, gustong gusto mo tong taong to. Sino to? Air sign. Share mo naman. Oo, share mo naman. Diba? Yeah, a wish fulfillment. Para sa'yo pag nangyari yan. And I think, and I'm seeing na pwedeng mangyari. Okay? Naririnig ko March. Yes, by March. Iba sa inyo, Iba sa inyo, specific nakikita ko, pwedeng may mangyari. May mangyaring SEX sa inyo nitong taong ginugusto mo. I don't know. Kung paano. I don't know kung paano. Madali lang po yun. Okay. Sandali lang. Oh my God. Okay, so what else? Air signs. The Six of Wands. Ang ganda naman kung aking titingnan ito. Pataas yung status na nakikita ko dito. It's like ladder. Ladder of success. Parang ganyan. Okay. The Ace of Wands in reverse. Ooh. Okay. Sabihin natin, Justice in reverse. Okay. The Ace of Wands in reverse. Some of you, sabihin natin, yes, may mga energy about victory, about success pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Pero yun nga lang, the Ace of Wands is here. I don't know kung anong meron. Blockage. Tingnan natin. Clarify natin. Ano itong Ace of Wands na naka-reversed? Iba sa inyo, may mga marireschedule na mga lakad. Okay? Yung mga naka-notes na sabihin nating mabubura, mapapalta ng schedule. Like that. I don't know why. There's delay for some of you. Or reschedule. What's with this Ace of Wands in reversed? Judgment. Procrastination. Some of you. Takot ma-judge ng iba. Okay? Pwedeng andoon yung energy about plan na gusto mong gawin. Pero, ipaprocrastinate mo. Like, i-delay mo. I don't know why. There's this somebody na pwedeng galing sa past na sabihin nating kukunin na naman yung attention mo kasi gusto niya yung attention mo. Yes. And may chance na kapag pinansin mo to, magugulo lahat ng mga ginagawa mo sa ngayon. Yes. Kailangan ko lang bumulong, hindi ko alam bakit. So, yun ang akin nakikita for you, air signs. So, next. Okay, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see. Let's check kung ano bang meron. Anong kailangan mong malaman. Mensahe, gabay, prediction, energy checkings. And again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ganun na rin pagdating sa ating second channel na love letter. Okay? Pwede kayo mag-send ng love letter ninyo para sa kung kanino man na gusto ninyo. Sa mga naka-block, sa mga binlock ka. Yan, mga ganyan pwede. Yeah. Malay mo, yun na yung maging way para marinig ka ng tao na gusto mong kausapin. Makita niya, marinig yung mga mensahe na gusto mong sabihin. Okay? So, what's for you? Seven of Cups in reversed. What's with that? Oh. Past person agad. Water sign. Water sign. Meron ditong nangihinayang kaya gustong bumalik. Yes. May nangihinayang or sabihin nating ayaw manghinayang. Kaya gustong bumalik. Water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. May chance na pinagpalit ka nito sa iba. Whether tao, situation, I don't know. Okay, nagkaroon ng failure. That is why. Babalik sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Merong hindi nag-workout. Yeah. Expect a message from them. What else for you, fire signs? Excuse me. Again. The Eight of Pentacles, about work. What's with that? Work-related, work scenarios. Something na binibigyan mong focus. Tinatrabaho mo ngayon. Anong meron? The Eight of Wands in reverse. Some of you, if you've been busy. Okay, lagi kang busy. May sinasabi rito na pwedeng ikaw itong magpo-pause ka muna. Oo, tigil muna. Why? Why the Eight of Wands in reversed? What's that? Judgment. So, siguro, energy about a cycle, yung araw-araw mong ginagawa. Pwedeng sabihin nating babaliin mo ng ilang araw. Okay? Pwede kasing may mag-offer something like an invitation, something like that. Okay? It's like, yes, busy ka. Yes, planado na lahat ng gagawin mo sa week na ito. Pero there's this something or someone na pwedeng may babali nun. Okay? May babali nun kasi may matatanggap kang offer or sabihin nating invitation coming from that person. Hindi mo siya mahihindian eh. Yeah. And sasama ka. I-accept mo yung invitation. Maybe invitation. Or an offer. So, planado na, yes. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw itong magli-leave or absent. Like that. As simple as that. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Wands. I'm seeing din naman may travel itong kasama. So, maybe may mga pupuntahan or may bigla ang lakad. Yung iba sa inyo. Okay? So, yeah, idadrop mo muna. Oh, yes. Yung ating tunog na tit. So, confirmation from universe. For me. Yeah, yun yung confirmation ko. Okay. So, what else for you, fire signs? What else? Some of you, you'll reject somebody. Or maybe you have to reject somebody na galing sa past para hindi na maapektuhan yung mga pinagfo-focusan mo sa ngayon. Could be a Scorpio. Okay? Anything, any zodiac sign. What else? Knight of Cups Universe. Who is this? The Four of Wands Universe. Some of you, there is this a short-term connection coming in with a water sign or a fire sign like you. Anong meron? This is telling me na short-term lang ito. Bakit? Anong meron? Some of you, there's two person coming in. Yeah. The Page of Coins, the Page of Pentacles in reverse. So, sabihin natin, there's this age gap or maybe in general, there's this gap or difference pagdating sa inyo. Kaya sabihin natin, yeah, there's this energy about short-term connection, hindi lalalim. No? If, iba sa inyo is interested na kumilala, may nakikita akong dalawa dito. Okay, dalawa. Pinakamataas na yung dalawa. Okay? So, may narinig ako bunso. Pwedeng bunso siya. Yeah, the Hierophant, the Six of Swords. Pwedeng hindi kayo magtutugma ng gusto sa isang relasyon. Kasi some of them, may chance. Itong taong to nakikita ko, may chance is immature pa. And ikaw is, sabihin natin you're looking for somebody na pwede na talagang masabing makakapag-settle down ka na. Like that. No, so there. Okay. So next, water signs. Hi, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Let's see. Let's check. Ano bang meron pagdating sa inyo, mga water signs? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Mensahe, gabay, prediction, kung anong makita natin. And syempre, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ganun na rin pagdating sa ating second channel na Love Letter. Hindi mo pa alam? Hindi ka pa na-inform? Naku, huli ka na. About sa ating second channel na Love Letter. Pwede ka magpadala doon ng mensahe mo about kung kanino man gusto mong padalhan. Lalo na kung ikaw, naka-block ka na, malay mo, naka-follow pala siya doon, di maririnig niya yung message mo. No? Ganun yan. Yeah. Okay, gawin nating way yung ating second channel para may i-express mo yung gusto mong i-express kahit kanino. Okay, if you're interested sa isang tao and hindi niyo yun alam, pwede yun. Like secret admirer, yan, mga ganyan, no? Okay, malay mo. Okay, water signs, what's for you? Okay, the Queen of Pentacles. What's with the Queen of Pentacles? Two of Swords in reverse. A decision pagdating sa nanay mo, tatay mo. What's with this Two of Swords? Meron akong nakikita rito, may bumulong sa akin, meron daw papayagan. Oo, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Meron daw papayagan. Papayagan siya. Papayagan, parang ganun Okay. Judgment in reversed. Yeah. Some of you, pwedeng meron kayong magiging diskusyon or sabihin nating mga pag-uusapan kayong mag-asawa. Pero kayong mga pag-uusapan dito, I don't know kung ano to. This is a decision making contest. Okay, kung anong kailangan. Kasi judgment in reverse, sabihin nating kailangan Oo, kailangan na to. Parang ganyan. Anong meron? Pagpili. This is so specific. Meron ditong pipili. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng ikaw ito na yes, mag-asawa kayo pero alam mo may third party involved. May pagpili ako nakikita rito. Meron ng pipiliin. Ha? See? The Lovers. Strength in reverse. Yes. May pipiliin at merong iiwan. I don't know who. Kung sinong pipiliin at kung sino ang iiwan. I don't know. Pero yun ang nakikita ko, may pagpiling mangyayari. Para may matapos. Para may mag-end na party-party. Parang ganyan eh. I don't know kung ang tawag dyan, kayo is mag-asawa na talaga or yeah. Meron ng pipiliin. In general, may pagpili. Okay. So what else? Justice in reverse. There's injustice na pwedeng kalakip, no? Dito sa ating nakita. Anyway, justice in reverse, what's that? So there's this imbalance. I'm seeing here doctor. Pagdating po sa health. Meron ako nakikita ditong health. About health. Decision. Major operation. Some of you. Nakakuha ko dito. And this is malaking pagdedesisyon ang kailangan. Anyway, justice in reverse. Temperance in reverse. Avoid arguments. Avoid na okay, mapunta ka sa isang sitwasyon na alam mong mapapahama ka rin naman. Alam niyo yun minsan. Ha? Alam nyo yun, oo. So, umpisa pa lang, alam nyo kung sa sitwasyon na yan ay mapapaganda ka or hindi. Avoid nyo na agad. Kung, see the star in reverse. Iba sa inyo, alam nyo na talagang hindi na dapat to. Okay? Hindi mo na dapat patulan, mga ganyang bagay. Yeah. Hindi na dapat patulan. Page of Wands in reverse. Para hindi na lumaki. Hindi na lumaki ang kung ano man tong gulo. Some of them kasi, they will just, want to trigger you. Okay, may mga energy dito na gusto ka lang galitin, provoke ka. Something like that. Okay? So, what else? King of Wands in reverse. Okay. King of Wands in reverse. The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Somebody is a non-committal. May chance na pwedeng merong lalapit sa'yo para makiflirt or i-flirt ka. Pero hindi sila available, ha? Okay, hindi sila available. Pwedeng Sag and an Earth sign. This person gusto lang ng sex with you. Okay, yeah, the Two of Cups. So, pwedeng hindi na available, pero they will act like available. Okay? So, paano malaman na siya to? Para ma-avoid mo. The Moon. There's this an odd feeling. Your intuition will tell you. Okay? An odd feeling. It's like napaka-secretive niya. Okay? Marami siyang parang feeling mo bakit ganun hindi siya nagiging open, hindi siya parang feeling ko marami pa siyang kailangang sabihin sa akin. Like that. Odd feeling. Okay? Yeah, the King of Swords in reverse. Somebody who tell lies. Hindi nagiging transparent. Not vulnerable. Okay? So, yeah. Anyway, so there. Yun ang nakikita for you. And I think some of them, ang bilis nila pagdating sa, alam mo yun, like ma-flirt. Alam mo yun, yung parang, yeah, yung hindi dapat ganun, yung magiging reaction sa'yo kasi bago pa, pero parang sanay. Okay, matik. Ha? Ganun dapat. Okay. Next. Earth signs. Earth signs. What's for you? Mensahe, gabay, prediction, energy check-ins. Okay, let's see. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. and follow our FB page and our second page, no, second channel, The Love Letter. Oo. Naku, huli ka na. Hindi mo alam. Naku, huli ka na. Oo, pwede ka dun mag-send ng love messages dun sa isa nating channel. Kung ikaw itong gusto mong maiparating sa kung kanino, meron kang ina-admire, something like that. Yes, anything. Okay? Kung ikaw ay naka-block na or somebody na pwedeng matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap, pwedeng dun mo i-send, no? Babasahin ko yun. Doon ko babasahin sa second channel natin. Kaya abang-abang ka rin, no? Doon sa ating channel na yun. Kasi malay mo, meron ka na ding love letter. Para hindi mo alam, may tao pala na nagbibigay ng letter sa'yo, no? Doon natin babasahin. Okay. Let's see. Earth signs. Okay. 7 of Cups, Universe. Kanina nakita ko si 6 of Cups, which is energy from a past person. They still love you. They still want you. Wala pa rin sabihin natin, wala pa rin may kumpara. Okay, kay Earth signs. Yun ang naririnig ko from them. Pwedeng water sign. See? The Page of Cups. Yeah. See? Your past person. They still want you. They still love you. Some of them, okay, is in general, may mga tao na gustong humingi ng sorry sa'yo. Yeah. They know na nasaktan ka nila. They know. May mga tao din na na-admire sa'yo. Like, na-attract or sabihin nating nagugustuhan ka. See? The King of Cups. Who is this? Water sign. There's this big water sign placements about sa taong ito. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. They still love you. Who is this King of Cups? Let's see. Some of them, wala kayong pag-uusap or pwedeng you're in break. Okay? Pwedeng, may nangyaring breakup or separation. No contact. Some of them, hindi stable. Pwedeng walang work. Okay? What else? Anong meron sa King of Cups na to para malaman mo na siya to? The Two of Cups, Universe. Sabihin natin itong taong to is talagang nilayuan mo na. Nilayuan mo like meron ng gap pagdating sa emosyon. Okay, you're setting yourself free from them. I don't know why. Okay. What else? What else? Pero in general, meron pa rin ditong taong na sabihin kung gusto kanila, pero some of them hindi pwedeng lumapit sa'yo. Hindi ka nila malapitan, I think. What else? Or signs? Oh, there's two, I think. The King of Wands. Who is that? Who is that King of Wands? They want to F you. Opo. Ano daw? Sabi ng iba. Gusto ka nilang ganunin. Fire sign naman. Aries, Leo, Sag. Yeah. Secretly, some of you, itong taong to, may chance na meron nang kakonek. Pero they're like thinking of you sexually. They're like passionate. They're lasting over you. Opo, kailangan ko ibulong. Ha? Oo, baka tayo maano eh. Okay. Oo. Yeah, there's this someone involved. May someone na involved. Ay, okay. Ang nakuha ko sa taong to, hindi sila in love sa'yo, ha? Itong isang to. Hindi sila in love. Some of you, nandyan na kayo sa connection nitong taong to. One more thing. Kung alam mo itong taong to is already in a connection, hindi sila into you like they love you. Hindi. Okay? They're just passionate. Pagagandahin natin yung term. Passionate yung person pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Andoon yung energy about, meron lang siyang nakukuha sa'yo, like benefits or happiness. Or sabihin natin in general, hindi niya iniisip yung ikaw. Ang iniisip niya is siya lang. Opo. What else? Ang dami namang tao dito. What else for earth signs? The Tower in reversed. What's with that? Meron kayong hindi matatanggihan. Some of you, this is talking about an occasion. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles. An occasion. Or sabihin natin somebody na pwedeng may ganap. Okay? Pwedeng patungkol sa isang mother or father figure. Ano yung Tower in reversed? Sabihin natin this is like naka-schedule na or talagang sinabihan ka na kaya hindi mo matatanggihan. An occasion? Yeah, the Emperor. It's like, okay, boss. Parang ganon. Okay. Yeah. Kahit hindi mo gusto or hindi ka sure. Okay. Ganun na lang, I think. Or maybe ikaw ito sa isang tao. No? Kasi, syempre, sabihin natin, nasabihan na kita. Oo, hindi ka na pwedeng tumanggi. Like that. Ganun yung energy. Hindi nakikita ko na pwedeng makakapunta ka doon. Or, yes. Sabihin natin, magiging present ka doon sa okasyon na yun. Kung ano man iyon. Okay? Kasi nakakita ko nito na ng parang get together. Maybe with your family or relatives. Somebody na pwedeng malalapit lang sa'yo. Okay? Page of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. Some of you, ikaw itong, may ibibigay ka. May ibibigay. Hindi ko alam, regalo. I think. Itong taong to, hindi siya sasagot or sabihin natin, hindi siya tatanggap kasi ng an answer, a no as an answer. Okay? Hindi siya tatanggap ng no as an answer. So, it's like, yes, I'll go. Parang ganun. Kasama po ako, sige. Okay po, sige. Ayusin ko lang yung schedule ko. Okay po, sige. Yun, ganun po. No? I don't know kung ano yun. That's general. Okay? Pwedeng, meron kayong hindi pwedeng tanggihan ngayong week. I think, ngayong week. Or, pwedeng may ganyang mangyayari. Okay. So, there. Angel number 3333 for you, Earth signs. Nakita ko lang sa screen. Okay, anyway. So, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Ganun rin sa ating isang channel na Love Letter. So, goodbye. Thank you.